Welcome to Cool Toys. Look, today I bring you a giant egg with a squid. Let's see all the surprises we have inside and learn some information about the squid. Squids are a type of animal that live in the seas and oceans. They have large tentacles with very strong suckers. Also, squids are usually about 60 centimeters long, but there are some giant squid specimens that can be more than 13 meters long. Incredible, friends. Look, these would be the suckers on their tentacles. Also, squids have some extraordinary characteristics. They can change color. When they feel threatened, they change color to camouflage themselves so that no one can find them. Also, they have another strategy. They can squirt ink.
Expulsan esta tinta.
Wait a minute.
Predadores no puedan verlos.
Let's remove all the modeling clay. One time I saw a squid, but it wasn't giant, friends. It was normal. Look, let's remove everything. I'm excited to see the surprises. And now we've reached the last layer in blue. Wow, friends, we have a lot of surprises. Let's start with this huge envelope. Look how big it is. Its name is Strict Predators. Find the top animal, a predator, and its profile. We get the surprise envelope and, as always, a book with information and activities. It tells us that there are some that glow in the dark and change color. Here we see all the new models that are available to collect. We have the giant squid python cobra. Wow, it's amazing. Let's see. Wow, friends, we've got a snake. And look how big it is. It's super soft. And we can stretch it. As you can see, this snake is green and it has some black dots on it. Its mouth is huge and it has 2 fangs on the top and 2 on the bottom. Let's see if there's a card coming. Yes, here we have it. It tells us its name is Green Anaconda, and we've been lucky because it says it glows in the dark. Inside, we have information, and what I like the most, a photograph of her in real life. How big it is, friends! If I saw her in real life, I would be really scared. The information tells us that the green anaconda is the largest snake that exists. It can weigh around 250 kilos and exceed 9 meters in length. Next little surprise! Here we have a surprise envelope from Super Sign Series 5, the new Super Sign that just came out. Inside, we get one of the new vehicles and either a villain or a superhero. We got a villain! The new villain we got from Series 5 is a sandwich maker. I really like it. Yum, yum, yum! Its rival is a sandwich. And we can also collect it in 2 different colors. Over here, we have the new vehicle. Its name is Arabagun. It has 2 modes. It can go on rails, attaching other cars. Or it can also fly. It can unfold its wings and fly. Here we have the guide with the new super sign. Look, here we have the new golden ones. Alien Bandit and Rocket Cini. And the ultra rare one, which is the hardest to get in this series, is Kid Fury. I can't wait to open a bunch of packs to complete the whole collection. Next little surprise! Metropolitan Police Department said. Let's see. Here we have a surprise envelope from Tentaculous Ampersand Company. Let's see if we get a squid this time. Oops! It looks like I'm touching some tentacles. Wow! And we've got ourselves an octopus. Up close, we can see all the details. Let's count the tentacles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And on the underside, it has all the suckers. Its suckers are very strong, and they use them to catch their prey. It also has a big head, and here we can see its eyes. I love it. There are some octopuses that are also giant. Thank you. The book also came with information. It tells us that there are 20 models to collect. Wow! And inside, we have information along with a photograph of them. Impressive! I enjoy seeing what they're like in real life. Look, we also have jellyfish. Do you know an interesting fact, friends? There are some types of jellyfish that are considered to be the most beautiful animals in the world, although there are some that are very poisonous. Look, these are almost transparent. Incredible! Let's continue. We got a very tiny envelope, but I love it because it's from Disney. Inside, we have a wikis and also a sticker. Let's see. We have a very cute little kitten in white color and with a pink bow. Here we have her sticker, and on the back, it tells us that her name is Mari. She is number 29 in the collection. I think she's from the movie The Aristocats, but I'm not sure. We only have 2 little surprises left. Here we have a super big envelope from Doc McStuffins. Inside we have a 3D figurine, and here are all the ones you can collect. I would like to get an Avino. Let's see. We got Doc McStuffins. That's great. And it comes with a platform so we can make her stand up. Doc McStuffins is a very curious girl. Despite her young age, she likes to fix broken or damaged toys. So if any toy has been damaged, Doc McStuffins will fix it. She has all the tools for that. She comes with her medical bag, and also to check the condition of the toys. She always has this doctor's coat and also some braids. I love it. Hello, little friends. If you have any broken toys, don't throw them away. You can bring them to my office so I can fix them. Goodbye. And now, friends, we have the last surprise left. We have a jar with slime, but it's not just any slime. It's slime with a little sea animal, and it also has a crystal effect. Thank you. Wow! I love this kind of slime, look! Its consistency is amazing, but the best part is that it looks like water, ocean water. And look who showed up here. We have a sea turtle. It looks like it's swimming in the middle of the ocean. Look. I love it. It's super beautiful. Sea turtles are different from land turtles because of the shape of their shells and their legs. Sea turtles have a very flat, quite squashed shell, while land turtles have a very high shell. Also, sea turtles have very large front legs, so they can use them for swimming. And these are all the little surprises we found today. Remember, friends, if you like this video, you can help me by giving me a super like, a thumbs up. And I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Subtitle. Hello friends, welcome to Cool Toys. Look, today I brought you a giant egg with a huge octopus. Let's see everything that's inside. But first, don't forget to give this video a super like. And I invite you to subscribe to Cool Toys by clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Let's remove all the play doh. This octopus has red skin with little yellow spots. Also, it has big tentacles with lots of suckers. Look how they're made of Play-Doh. Everything falls apart. Now, let's remove its big eyes. Friends, can you write in the comments if you've ever seen an octopus in real life? There are some that are gigantic, like the one we have today. Let's take everything off. Wow, friends! Look at how many surprises there are. Over here, I see a jar with slime. How fun, friends! It's slime with sea animals. Wow! It's super slimy. Check this out, friends. This slime looks like water. It also has the color of the ocean floor. Its consistency is quite firm. That's why we have to stretch it carefully. We got a manta fish or a stingray. Next surprise. We have a Sticky Club Ocean envelope. They're little sea animals. And we can get 4 special ones that glow in the dark, and 4 others that change color. We get the packet and also an activity book, Color and Play. It gives us information about the ocean and also activities for us to have fun. How cool! How lucky, friends! We got an octopus! Just like the drawing on our egg. It's a very sticky little animal. It's super soft. And we can also stretch it.
Whoa!
Help! Save me, friends.
Vamos!
We also get a collector's guide. Wow! And here are all the ones you can collect. Incredible! And look, the one we got is one of the special ones. It says it changes color with hot water. And also, its name is Octo. Here, it gives us an example. We have to put it in water at 40 degrees Celsius. Into the water, Octo! Let's see what color it turns. Amazing! It changed color. Before, it was lilac and now it's pink. Just like my nails. Next surprise. It's a SpongeBob envelope. You know he lives in the depths of the ocean. Let's cut his tie. Wow, friends, that's a lot of pieces. Here we have it assembled. Check out what a cool outfit he has. He can also move his arms. And it comes with a stand, so you can make him stand up. Apparently, SpongeBob's friend has gone blind. That's why we can't see his eyes and he's carrying this cane. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. Help me. We also got a collector's guide. Look, here are all the ones you can collect. We got Mr. Krabs, which is one of the common ones. We still have lots of surprises left. This envelope is huge. And it looks really soft. Look, it's called Softy Friends Ocean. And they're also ocean animals. It comes with a book, and it tells us that some of them glow in the dark. It gives us information about ocean animals. That way, we can learn new things. On the back, we can see the ones there are to collect. I would like to get the manta ray. Oh! Yellow color! Wow! Look, friends, we got the one from the envelope. It looks like it's a piranha. It's super soft. We can also stretch it, and it's super soft too. Here we can see its piranha teeth. Next surprise. We got an envelope from the Disney movie Finding Dory. I would like to get little Dory. Let's see. Well, friends, it's an octopus. Here we have it. Just like the one in our egg today, in red color. I'm fed up with Dory. She never remembers anything. I told her she had to come pick me up, and I'm still waiting for her. I'm sure she forgot. Look, here is the one we got. His name is Hank. And here we have Dory, who, as you know, is very forgetful. We only have 2 surprises left. We have one of the new minimum boxes from the world. The one we got is called Ayana, and she's African. Look at the color of her skin, it's darker. And the little box works as a bed for us. With a super soft headboard. Look how adorable it is, friends. She has a traditional African dress with lots of colors. She also comes with a little hat and a matching bow. She also has a little string with a bell, so we can hang it wherever we want. And now, friends, we have the last surprise left. It's a little box of Silky Pop. It's a super fun moldable paste. Look! Here we have the instructions. Look, it says that this paste floats on water. It's moldable, durable, and it comes with a little knife to cut. We can also get some of these molds. Super fun, friends. We got a mold in the shape of a little house. We also have the little knife to cut. And the dough, which is pink. I love it, friends. It looks like strawberry ice cream. Its texture is super soft. And it's a pretty weird mix between magic sand and modeling clay. It also looks like Play-Doh, but this one doesn't dry out. And now we take the top part and press down. friends. The shape of the windows, the door, and even the star on top has stayed. Let's take it out. I love it. These molds are amazing. Now let's try the little knife. Friends, I have to say it's very, very relaxing. And it also cuts perfectly. Awesome! And these are all the little surprises we got today. Remember, friends, you can write in the comments which one of these was your favorite. And don't forget, if you like this video, you can help me by giving me a super thumbs up. And I invite you to subscribe to Jugetti's Chulos and also to Lady Jugetti's, my second channel, so you don't miss any videos. Alright friends, I'm saying goodbye now. See you in the next video with more fun surprises. Kisses. Goodbye!